Yo guys, I don't know what's wrong. My camera is overheating too much. Though the surrounding there's a lot of heat, so I think that's why it's overheating too fast. So I've been vlogging for 20 minutes, but now it's overheating. I don't know why it's overheating too fast, because sometimes back when I was vlogging, it takes like 2 hours before it starts to overheat. So my camera started to overheat and I stopped. I moved the battery from inside and then I returned it again. So guys, I will not vlog for long from here, but for this short video guys, I hope you have already known what's going on over here in this place. So guys, this is Center Ports, DFW Airports and railway station. So I turn the camera from the other side to the other side. You see Dallas EBJ. The trains which are going to Dallas EBJ should come at 6:19, and the one which goes to Fort Worth TP, it should come at 6:46. So every train comes on time over here. If you can't watch very well, you get late, so you have to come over here on time so that you'll be able to catch up with the train. So that's how it is guys. Over here the train is scheduled. Every train is scheduled on time, so that's how it is. This one is the one which goes from ETB and to Fort Worth. Let me go to the other platform. This is the first platform. Let me go to the second and to the third platform so that you will see what's going on over there. So let me cross over here and see the second platform, what they have over here. Yeah, let's see what they have over here guys. Yeah, for those one who have been demanding to see me, I'm here now today. I'm here live. You can be able to see me. I'm here now. Yeah, you see, this is the schedule of the train station. You can see I was on the other side. If you can see, I was on the other side on the first platform. Right now I'm on the second platform over here. As you can see here, this is the second platform. So I'm going to show you how the train moves. This is the schedule and this is the map on how it moves. Trinity Metro ticket information. This is about the ticketing. You have to pay before you alight to before you take the train, so you have to pay it. Without paying, you will penalize it if you can't pay. So you have to pay. For local zone, one zone, it's $2.50. Local reduced one zone is $1.25. I don't understand that one very well. And Trinity Railway Express locals $2.50 and Union. Oh man, that's a Spanish. Okay, bus local reduces $2 and reduce $1. Express local $2.50. Oh, so it means when you take the train, you have to pay. After paying, also you take the bus, you have to pay for the bus too. And they have the ATM machines where you can pay your ticket. When you pay, after paying, it prints your ticket out. In case when the police will stop you, what they will do, they'll check whether you have the right ticket. So that's what they do. Okay, this is the zones TRA to zone Fort Worth to Center Ports. When you ride, these are two zones from Fort Worth to Center Ports and Center Port to Dallas. So you take this is the station from Fort Worth T and P station. It continues from here to downtown Fort Worth. This west zone stations, and then it goes to North Richland station there, and also it branches over here to Centerport DFW Airport. So this is the station where we are right now. This is the neutral center of Centerport for DFW, downtown Fort Worth, and the one downtown Dallas. Yeah, these are two zones. So the one moved to Dallas and the one to Fort Worth. So it's a two zone location. So you have to be careful when you choose the ticket you want to use before you alight into the train. So I'm here on the second platform and I'm still waiting to see whether the train will come. So I don't know the time it will come, but from the other side it will come at 6 something. From this side I don't know, it doesn't show the time it will come. This is the platform 4, the one, platform 3, the one you see over here. It's Railway Express platform 3. These are 2 and 3 platform. I see there's a lot of people waiting for the train over here. Yeah, it helps the community a lot because it's good public transportation here within DFW. So guys, we are still here waiting for the train, the time it will come before we alight to where we want to go. There's some are going to work, there's some who are going home. So that's how it is, guys. Okay, it's now coming from that seat. Yeah, it's too late. You can see it's coming. You see, it's now coming. This is the way it looks like. See, it's a very big machine. It's a very big machine that going to Dallas. Yeah, this is express station. Very nice, very nice. It's a double decker. It has upper floor and the lower floor. You see the way people are rushing to get it. Yeah, this is how it looks like, guys. This is what I've been waiting for. Now it's leaving. I think it's gone. It's gone. Yeah, that's you have to make sure there's nobody standing near before it starts to move. And this is where we take the train from. And the train move from here, as you see from the back on top over here. You see, these are buses. After this, a train going to Dallas, EPA, and Fort Worth T and P. Those are the stops where the trains go. Yeah, it has a lot of stops all the way down, but I can't be able to tell how many stops it make. That's how, this area is secured. It's always secured, so there's the cameras around. As you see behind me, there's there is a camera, so you can't do something which is against the law. So you have to stay, you have to stay at the right place, doing the right thing at the right time also. So guys, that's how this Centerport DFW Airport train station is, and this is how it looks like. It does a lot around here in the community, so they take the train from here to different places around Dallas, Fort Worth. So DFW means Dallas, Fort Worth, and this one is a platform 1, and we have platform 2 on the other side, and also platform 3. So this one is having 3 platforms. Those train which goes to Dallas, it goes toward this way, and this one which goes to Fort Worth, it goes this way. I hope guys you see the camera is capturing very well. You can be able to see how the area looks like. Yeah, from my previous video I didn't show you a lot about this station because I was rushing. So today I choose the good time for you so that you'll be able to know more about this Centerport station. So guys, like the video and also comment about it, say something about it. If you want to know something about this area, about this Centerport train station, I can be able to answer you from the comment section, or you can follow me through the ID, my Instagram. The link is over here. If you see there's an icon for Facebook, another icon for Instagram, another icons for my GitHub, though my GitHub is out of the social system. So if you want to reach me through Facebook Messenger, you can reach me. You can click the icon and send the message through the icon if you want to ask more about this train system. So guys, that's how it is. So let's keep on watching. I'm waiting to see where the train. Oh yo, that's it guys, I'm done from the train station. Now I'm back, though I didn't capture the way I wanted because my GoPro is overheating too much, so it turns off by itself when it overheats. So I decided to go back to grab the battery. I didn't carry my spare battery, so I wish I would have carried that battery, but unfortunately I didn't carry the spare battery guys. So I hope guys you enjoy to see this video. It's too hot here, it's overheating, I'm sweating like crazy, and also the sun is shining too much. So guys, enjoy watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and if you have already subscribed, please come back and watch the new videos guys. I love you so much, and I don't take this one for granted for those one who have subscribed and those one who are watching. So what I would like to tell you is that I appreciate always in whatever you're doing to take time to watch. It's not easy guys, I know. That's why I'm saying that I can't take it for granted. So guys, welcome and see you next time. Bye bye guys. I'm trying to do this. So guys, bye bye, see you next time. Bye.